The criminal was pressing charges for sneezing on him without consent. The thief would have only stolen an expired $3 Sears gift card. You caused $49,673.89 worth of damage to the building. The hospital bill for the thief is $22,579.67. We expect to see you tomorrow at court.
I have a perfect plan, so I can take over the local CCS pharmacy. It's been my dream to take over a CCS, but Sneezewomen has always been in my way. I'm going to send flowers to Sneezewomen, pretending to be a fan. Sneezewomen will smell the flowers and then sneeze at the wall of floor. Then she will accidentally start an escape. This plan is impeccable.
Are you here to officially let me out of prison? I mean, I've only been here for 3 months, and I've already gained 70 pounds of muscle.
Looks like you have fans after all, Sneezewoman.
No, not flowers. I'm allergic to flowers. I didn't mean to. It was the flowers.
Breaking news! A new person was added to the FBI Most Wanted list. This person was the hero turned villain, Sneezewoman. Sneezewoman broke out of prison while injuring 3 guards. If you see a woman wearing a purple and orange superhero costume, call the cops immediately. Do not go near and notify the police.
Oh no! I can't sneeze. That means my weakness is nearby. Oh no! I'm losing control!
Yes! My plan is working. At this rate, Sneezewoman will be caught in days. Ever since I was a boy, I dreamed of taking over a CCS pharmacy. I wanted to be a pharmacist, but then I would always get rejected. Over and over again. Then one day, I came so close to taking a CCS over, but then Sneezewoman got in the way.
See, Sneezewoman has never liked me because I have access to her weakness and can take away her powers anytime I want. That's why she's always stopped me from being a pharmacist. Now, I will fulfill my dream.
Anna Hestamine just caught Sneezewoman. Anna Hestamine's the hero. Breaking news. Sneezewoman was captured yesterday. Anna Hestamine becomes a hero by helping with capturing Sneezewoman. Here's the interview with our hero. Hold on. You guys are just going to give me a CCS? My life's work is finally complete. Anything for our hero.